Engkai jotono no khulumka ani channel o engka engkai tomung no norok ani channel no subscribe khlaijak khumka engkai subscribe khlaidi ang tebo kotal job advertisement tei online information related video sanamo engkai phaidi nailaina tini kaisa iko naidi omo employment notification engkai omo rijak kha naidi ko government of Tripura office of the medical economy engka mo AGMC GBP hospital Agartala ni bokakti rijak kha engkai phaidi nailaina oro tamo post hanjaka engkai omo naidi o jaga o saka unemployed nurse tei OT assistant engkai ko naidi radiographer laboratory technician tei data entry operator omo purely contractual basic ngai 3 months ni bagui engkai oro naidi post iko naidi name of post engkai ro staff nurse engkai 160 ta tlangjaknai engkai o jaga naidi qualification engkai BSc nursing tei GNM pass engkai ungo oro bongno monthly rijaknai ko 20,000 khlaiui engkai tei kaisa tongo naidi OT assistant engkai oro iko naidi 10 ta post tongo omo bachelor in medical technology OT o khlaijak tongkhai ungo o jaga o bongno rijaknai per month 15,000 khaiui oro naidi radiographer o tongo 11 jon tlangjaknai o jaga o engkai DM RIT hayake BM RIT khlaijak tongkha engkai bo rimanai bongno rijaknai 20,000 per month khlaiui engkai tei oro tongo lab technician oro 6 ta post tongo o jaga o engkai BMLT hayake DMLT pass engkai rimanai bongno rijaknai 20,000 khlaiui engkai naidi data entry operator o engkai oro 8 ta post tongo oro naidi madhyamik pass tei iko naidi DCA diploma in computer application o khlaijak engkai khlaimanai oro 10,000 khai rijaknai engkai naidi omo iko oro sajaka omo haike kaisa application form swnamui iko naidi oro joto details tongo oro application bumung engkai tei father's husband rokni bumung date of birth rok omo haike format swnamui boni address o thangui norok submit khlaiti engkai omo ni naidi terms and condition tongo engkai omo nailaina terms and condition tamo rijak naidi engkai oro saka iko naidi je qualification tongnai borok khai naidi omo naidi 7 days ni omo borokno najaknai naidi iko engkai omo actually covid ni omo ni bagui staff talangjak tongo engkai oro naidi number omo kwbang phanongui mano tei kisa phanongui mano nangkha engkai oro selection engkai naidi selection will be made on first come first serve basis jingnai jesekang thangmani bono no omo preference rijaknai engkai last date sajaka naidi last date application rwnaini engkai 18 tarik before 4 ta PM ni swkangma rwnai engkai o jaga o thangdi naidi ko positively in the lecture hall first floor o Agartala government medical college o thangai submit ma khlainai engkai norok je candidate interested tongnai qualification tongnai dati thangdi buini swkang mo first come first serve basic sim tlangjaknai engkai omo hai format norok omo swnamui ready engkai omo ni bagui norok confuse rok nang tongkha engkai comment khlaidi ang mankha engkai ang rwano o je application form bai ke slamnai ne engkai tomung no ani channel no subscribe khlaiya khumka engkai subscribe khlaidi ang tebo kotal job advertisement tei online information related videos namu engkai tinin bagui amsung nong situng jotono no hambai।